Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use American Express gift card on Shein. So let's get into the video. So open up Shein. You can either use the app or the browser, it's up to you. This process is pretty much the same. So I'm just using my Shein app here. So now log into your Shein account. So I've already logged into my Shein account here. So now what I'm going to do, if I'm going to use my Express gift card for any purchase, so let me make a purchase. I'll add something to my cart. So just choose any item here and then add it to your cart. All right, so once you've added to your cart, so let me get to my cart here, and then I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to proceed with the checkout. So hit on checkout, and then when you get to checkout here, now here under the payment method, you will see the different payment methods available for you based on your region. So now if I'm going to use my American Express gift card, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply select the credit or debit card option. As you can see, American Express is acceptable on Shein. So what you can do, you can simply select the credit or debit card option and then hit on the place order option. So now what it's going to do, it's going to ask you for your details of your American Express gift card. Simply plug those details in, and then once you have done, just hit on the place order option, and that's it. That's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.